Now see, the next business services is transportation. Now transportation is important business services because it helps to transfer goods from one place to another. Now when I am speaking about transportation, it includes your freight charges and also transport by way of rail, sea, air or road. Okay. Now to begin with, as I already told, it is movement of people, animal and goods from one location to another. Now how does it help us? It helps us in reaching the consumer who has reached to who is sitting at a far off level. Now what has happened, to give you a brief, till date we have approximately constructed 54 lakh kilometers of road in India. When it comes to national highway, we have almost built somewhere between 13,000 to 14,000 kilometers, which is the national highway. Our ambitious project, that is the government's ambitious project about the golden quadrilateral, which was between Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata, joining these four cities, and also the the north south and the west east. These connectivity has helped us in reaching the farthest place in India. Okay. When it comes to railways, they are also not behind. Apart from connecting to the farthest village, they have also come up with metro, which you would have seen in most of the major cities, and also the monorail. We also would be having bullet train. Now the logic here is a bullet train between Mumbai and Ahmedabad would help us to reach faster from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. Now what will happen here is, because of the bullet train, the people who are travelling for business purpose, they will be able to reach faster. People who would be living on this side, that is people who are from Maharashtra and Gujarat, they will understand the importance of travelling between Mumbai and Ahmedabad. This is frequently done by business people to close deals and to do businesses. Okay. So right now many people travel from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. So introduction of such bullet trains among cities where people travel for business purposes will help in growth of business and finally in the growth of the country. Now apart from this, there has been development of airports in the country. Now this has helped in movement of goods and people on a faster basis. So you would have seen that low cost airlines have been encouraged by the government also, so that people can fly from one place to another at a low cost, and they can do the business, especially the startups and entrepreneurs, they can do business in a convenient manner. See, apart from this, seaport is a port from where the ship is loaded with cargo and then it starts its destination. So the government of India has been emphasizing on developing the seaports so that movement of goods from one place to another becomes cheaper and it also becomes easier. The transition becomes easier. This brings us to the end of this topic.